How to log into the Costco Citi Card online account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into the Costco Citi account online on your Android, iPhone or your PC. So for that, the very first thing is to launch your preferred browser, whether it's Google Chrome, Mozilla or any preferred browser that you use. After that, on the top search bar, you can simply search for citicards.com. After that, it will take you to a page like this. Just tap on Apply Now option, and after you tap on the Apply Now option, it will take you to an interface like this. Now, only after filling up all the informations right here, you will be able to log in. If you have already an account, then you can simply type your username and password and you can simply log in. But if you don't have, then you can follow the following information. Just you have fill out the right information right here and then tap on agree and submit, and then your account will be made and it will be activated right there. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and also comment in our comment section below.